Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. To all my old and new subscribers, thank you for tuning in. If you're new and just passing by for the first time, please do not go away without clicking on the subscribe button down below, and do click on the notification bell because it will notify you of any time I upload a new video. So guys, today's video I am just going to share the recipe of the detox drink, as in the weight loss drink I did the other time. As I made a video on, like I said in that previous video of my weight loss, I said you can find the recipe on my other channel, which is my cooking and DIY channel, but it seems some of my subscribers are just too lazy to go to the description box to click on that link. I understand. So I got questions, as in on DM, like 2-3 people were still asking me what's the recipe, even after stating on that video that I left the link on the recipe of that detox drink in my description box. But some people didn't hear, or they didn't just want to stress themselves. So I tried to bring the recipe down here. And what recipe am I talking about? The recipe for this weight loss flat tummy drink, natural and refreshing. So guys, if you want to see how to make this weight loss tummy blast drink, do not go away, keep on watching. This is me drinking mine on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. So guys, let's get right into this recipe. So here are the ingredients we need for this recipe. Here I have my lemon. Here I have my cucumbers, though I'll be using just one. I have here my ginger. Here I have celery. And I have my cinnamon powder here. So let's get started. I'm just going to wash all this now and dice them into bits into a blender. So here's my blender. Now I'm just going to dice all the ingredients into it. I am putting them all with their skin because the skin is very effective for this drink. So after dicing everything, I'm going to add in water. Let the water be above the ingredients. So here is the juice. It doesn't have to be very smooth. So next I'm going to sieve or strain with this and separate the shaft from the liquid. Mind you guys, some people actually boil this before straining. They boil for at least a minute or two before straining, but either ways it works. I just added in a bit more water to get the whole juice out of the shaft. So guys, here is our juice, looking so refreshing. Guys, I will pour this now into a can or a bottle and store in the fridge. You can actually store this in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 days. But if you can, it is good to make fresh one every day because I prefer it actually fresh, but I'm too lazy. I store mine for like 2 days before making fresh one. And I drink this on an empty stomach in the morning and before going to bed at night. This juice helps with shedding weight, blasting that tummy fat, and helps with bloating. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find it helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.